Good afternoon, everybody. I know it's been a while since I've really done a video, other than doing the pond and all that stuff. I hadn't been doing any camping, but I am going on a trip this weekend. Going to up there in North Georgia in Ellijay, near Blue Ridge Mountains, or the city of Blue Ridge. So we're all packed. I'm just waiting for everybody else to get off work. I did get this bag right here, or this roof carrier, cargo carrier. So if anyone wants any kind of information on that, let me know and I'll respond in the comments. This is my first time using it, and it has a lot of room, a lot more than I thought. But I was a little worried that oh, that bug. I was a little worried that not everything was gonna fit. And then I did get this rear hitch carrier, and it also came with a cargo bag. Like I said, I'm just waiting for everybody else to come back to see if I need to add anything to this. I got a lot more room on this. I don't want it too high though, because I don't want it to impede the door, opening the door for any reason. See that? Little blue bug. And I hardly ever talk about it, but this is my 24 Nissan Pathfinder. It's the Rock Creek edition. I like it a lot. I really hadn't used it on a trip like I wanted to, so this will be the first real, trip. I did take it out to the coast, to Jekyll Island, but that was an easy ride, so I don't count that. We're gonna be going up into the mountains, so gonna have a cabin. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what we packed. I got my fridge right here. I'm only I set it out here already. I don't have it plugged into the vehicle yet, obviously, because it's not running. But I do have it on my small power bank, and it's still at 65%. And I've had this running since this morning. Other than that, I do have some of my camera gear, some electronics, and then yeah, just waiting for the others to come in so we can leave. I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Well, we're on the road, and we had a little hiccup with the roof carrier, what do you call that, cargo thing, the cargo bag, and I don't think it was made for my roof rack. I probably should have had a basket or something flatter, because when we were going down the road, that thing was just pounding on the top of the roof. So we went back at home and unloaded the roof, and then we split up in two vehicles. So all's good, and we're heading north. Morning all. Well, we arrived late last night. We did stop at Buc-ee's to get something to eat and gas up. We actually probably could have made it here probably on one tank of fuel, but just for a bathroom break and all that stuff. So yeah, so we got here, it was probably about close to 11. It was dark, but everybody's just now waking up. So I'll show you the cabin a little bit. My grandson's watching Masha and the Bear on Netflix. But just give you a little outside tour first. like I said, we ended up having to bring 2 vehicles because the roof rack thing was, because so I didn't get to explain this as good yesterday as well, but because my roof rack, the bag part sagged in between, the bag, when the wind hit it at a certain speed, it started going like this, and it was real loud. So luckily we were only about a couple miles away from home, so we turned around and unpacked and then redistributed people. But this is the cabin that we're staying at. There's a bridge that we had to cross. And then this is a VRBO, so I guess that's the owner's personal things in there. It does have a creek, I guess, running down this mountain. And then out there's the lake. So they got other cabins up there. I think they got one right there. I don't know if you can see that through the trees. They may have others, but it's pretty secluded. Yeah, it looks like there may be one up there. It's hard to tell. The wood's pretty thick, so that's a good thing. Anyways, I'll give you guys a tour of it later after everybody's woke up. That way I don't wake them up. Like I said, this is the bottom floor. And we have a pool table. Let's see if I can get a little light in here. Sliding door to get to the outside there. Let's see. Got a kitchen down here. This no stove or anything on this one, but we do have microwave, little fridge. Sink, pretty nice down here. Garbage can. Then you have the TV and bar. That's nice. Little cornhole. And actually has a gas fireplace down here. And then a dehumidifier. And then this is your behind the bar. I like it, it's pretty neat. Little dart area. Alright, down here you also have a laundry room. Let me cut it on. And this is the downstairs bathroom. And this is where my nephew's sleeping. Nice bedroom. You also have a closet, a baiting room. I don't know if I know what a baiting room means. But let's head upstairs. This is where my daughter and grandson are staying. They got a sliding door to get to the balcony. I guess this is also called the baiting room. So and this is the kitchen area. Got a stove right here on the island. My nephew. And that's the front of the cabin right there. Leading up the stairs. And this is our bedroom that I'm staying in. Got the TV. I like these barn slide doors. I'm not sure exactly the name of that, not off the top of my head. But the bathroom area, and closet, which this one also has a light. Extra blankets, pillows. So, all right, so this is the upper deck. Got plenty of things to sit around in. Got a gas grill. This is actually our second time here. The last time we were here, my mother-in-law, father-in-law came with us, and since then, though, my father-in-law has passed, and also my dog Chloe was here, and she also passed. This was, and we knew that was going to be, wasn't going to be long after that, and I believe she passed like 5 months later. They do have this gas fire pit. I wish they had a regular fire pit out here, for the fires, but I don't see one. Let's see. So you got a hot tub. Let's see how. Ooh, pretty good, pretty good. View to one of the bedrooms. Here's the creek. Oh, there's actually fish in there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going across the bridge. We're gonna go walk towards this lake real quick. So it's beautiful out today. The lows were in the 40s. The high today is, I think it's gonna get in the low 70s, so not bad at all. Maybe hard to tell in there, but definitely some small baby fish. Who knows what they actually are. So we're gonna head down to the other side of this lake. Not that very big of a lake, but they got like a floating dock down there, and my nephew and my grandson are fishing, so we're gonna go check it out.
Fix his line a couple times.
Huh?
You gotta fix his line a couple times. Yeah, let me read. No, I have to put this down so I can see out in the sun. It's not bad getting up here when you got the daytime.
Well, I just finished dinner. We had hot dogs and hamburgers, as you saw. Sorry I didn't record much today. I was just mainly just trying to relax. We're gonna head over to the orchard tomorrow and maybe check a couple other places out. We also plan on lighting that gas fire pit, and maybe making some s'mores later. The sun is coming down. You can hear the creek. I don't know how well this GoPro catches it. And this is what I primarily record with, is my GoPro. I have a Sony Handycam that has great audio, but the stabilization isn't that great, so I usually stick with this. I may upgrade one day to a better camera, but for now this is what I'm using. It's real peaceful out here with this creek up like that. I'm sure it, you know, when it dries up some. This is only just a trickle, if anything, but it does feed the lake. That goes into the lake, and then the lake drains out on the other side, so that lake's getting recycled, the water, every so often. Anyways, we'll catch up later on tonight. Hey, good morning everybody. So this is the next morning, and we're supposed to be doing a lot more stuff today, so I'm gonna take you to a couple places that we'll go. I woke up early this morning, and my wife shut off the fan last night, and it was super silent, so I couldn't sleep after that, so I got up. Been waiting for sunrise. Just a little late outside, and it's a little after 7 and about 40 degrees, so it's cool out, but I like it like that. I'm gonna go get me some coffee, and we'll catch up with you guys when we go head out to see what we're gonna go see. I'm gonna show you guys. Man, that thing's big right there. I don't know if you can see. That's my hand. So that toad there, that's how big that toad is. Yeah, guess I'll leave it alone. So we are at Amicalola State Park. Yeah, so the Appalachian Trail approach is over that way, and they'll have some I want to say an arch similar to this that say it, but we won't be going there right now because of the my wife's leg's been hurting, so we're gonna take the paved way on the ground to the bottom of the falls and look at it. But yeah, this is an awesome place right here. There. Well, I took another rest. This is just getting to the base of the falls here at Amicalola State Park.
All the way back up.
Oh. Come on. That was funny. Come on, puppy.
Get a little jello leg. Okay. Well, in honor of the last day here, I'm gonna go explore a little bit. The rest of everybody went out in town to do some shopping. I'm just gonna see what I can get into by walking, and then we'll get back with y'all during the walk. Yeah, so I am trying to plan for some camping trips, you know, in the next couple months. I want to do one very soon in my van, and then I also want to take the Pathfinder because I bought, you know, the little window tents to go on there. And I think the Pathfinder, it's going to be for more of me coming up this way, up in North Georgia. May try to hit the state parks, or, you know, find something secluded. So we'll see. I think it'll be fun. Alright, so I'm in the woods on a walking trail. When it rains, I guess that's supposed to be similar to like a waterfall. Right now it's trickling from another source and then heading downstream right there. The only real predators I need to watch for when I'm walking alone, especially right now, is I guess just bears, and you got mountain lions up this way. It's hard to tell on the GoPro, but this is a big incline. Ooh. It's starting to even out. Oh, okay, I'm at the top of the hill. I'm at the on the road above the cabin that we're staying at. Let's look down on it. Here's a more from behind the cabin up on the road. It takes a while to get up here. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. I wish I could live up here, but then I start thinking, I don't know if I'd like to go up and down these mountain roads every day. So yeah, the visit, it's not so bad, but I just don't know if I'd like to drive up and down this every day. I think we found at least the source of where this creek's coming from. It's like it's coming from over here to right there. I actually climbed down. There's the road right there. I'm gonna follow this creek back to the cabin. And let's see how it goes. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the sound of the creek running under those rocks. Alright, so navigated to over here. So that's nice. Got a little tree that fell across the creek. Bet you squirrels use that a lot. Guess I'll go around here this way. Try not to break that for the animals. Ooh. Hot. Navigated around that. Now, just got a little bit more to go. Some places I can just step in the water because it won't be that deep. Gotta watch out for spiders. Looks like another critter crossing. Wow, these rocks right here, that's so cool. It's like the water erosion carved out, you know, a bunch of the pieces on here. Thought it was wood for a second, but it's rock. Looks like I'm not the only one that's been back this way. Well, we still got a little bit more to go, but as you can see, there's the cabin right there. almost to the bottom. Or actually to the cabin, not the bottom. Ooh, looks like I gotta get through some spider webs though. Hopefully I won't disturb it all that much. I just gotta get through, well, I need to get through right there. But I'm gonna try to go over this side. Well, I made it through. I had to turn it off for a second. I needed both hands to get across there, but I didn't really disturb them too much. Spider web right here too. There's the spider. I don't know if you can see it. Not clear on there or not. But heading back. Looks like I can fit through right here. There's no spider webs. And I'm back. A couple more steps. And I'm back. Crawl my way up here. Like I said, showed you this earlier. This little pool's got some fish in it. Anyways, I'm gonna take a little breather and get back. So anyways, I was just taking a little rest right there. I'm still over here, but I decided to take a little break in the action and throw one of my GoPros into the little pool here just to see what we see underwater. All right, well, we put that there and let's see what we get. Wait a few minutes, get the fish a little acclimated, and then we'll pull it out. Good morning, everybody. That's the final day, and well, it's the day we gotta leave. Yesterday was the final day. Packing up. It was a great place, good people. The only things that made this kind of a bummer for me was they didn't have an outdoor fire pit. That may be something that if you're looking into this, make sure they have that if that's what you're wanting, because that's what I was wanting to have a fire. I saw that it wasn't going to rain for the next few days and be an excellent, and it was going to be cool at night and would have been an excellent time to have a fire. Just didn't feel right without one. They had a gas fireplace outside, a fire pit, but it barely put off any heat. I mean, it was, you had to put your hand basically on top of the coals in order to feel heat. So it wasn't the same. But we're gonna finish packing up and then we're gonna head home. So sorry if this video is a little long and boring, but if you did watch, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.